Hello guys, I'm Shaima. In this tutorial video, I will teach you how to drag windows to the second floor like you see in this image. Alright, so first things first, you can set your wall height. My current wall height is 7,000. Okay, you can change in here. Then for the flooring, you can create using free modeling function. Okay, so I already done with the second floor, as you can see here. Okay, the flooring, some of the wall are made using free modeling. Okay, but certain area with windows you cannot drag to free modeling. Okay, so you need to use column in order to drag doors and window. Okay, so you can go to 2D view. Okay, you can see your floor plan here. You can add column. Okay, if you scroll down, you will see got square column. Okay, you can drag here. Okay, so for the column, you can adjust the sizing. Okay, you just drag, adjust the sizing. Okay, and here you can adjust your wall thickness. Okay, your column thickness. I'll make it around 120. Okay, and you can adjust the position. Okay, if you go to 3D or walkthrough, this is the column. Okay, you need to adjust the height and the height above ground. Okay, so currently my first floor is around 4,000, so I need to adjust the height first. Okay, this one I will reduce around 2,900. Enter. Okay, so my second floor height is 2,900. Then the height above ground I will adjust 4,000, and you can see it's overlapping with the floor. Okay, so the floor is around 100, so this one also I will extend another 100. Okay, so this is my column. Then repeat the same step on this area. Okay, drag another column here, and you can adjust the sizing. Here I will change the thickness 120. Okay, and you can adjust the height and height above ground. Column height is 2009, height above ground is 4,100. So if you sum up these two, it will be 7,000 lah, same as our wall height. Okay, so this is my column. Then you can go to Cloud Library. You can go to Doors and Windows. Okay, find any doors or windows you like and just drag to the column. Okay, and from here also you can adjust the sizing. Just select the window. Okay, adjust the sizing. 1,000. Okay, and remember, since our column is on top here, you need to adjust your height of above the ground. Okay, select the window again, adjust height above ground. This one I will make it around 4,005. So if you go to 3D or walkthrough, this is your window. It will be on your second floor. Okay, then you can adjust the position lah. Adjust the position, or you can adjust the height of the window. Okay, maybe height I make it around 1,006. Enter. So this is how it looks like. Okay, you can always adjust your size in here. Okay, same thing with doors. You can add doors as well. Just go back to 2D view. Okay, you can add single door. Okay, let's see this door. Just add here. You can select the door, adjust the sizing, and don't forget adjust height above ground. Okay, so this one I'll make a 4,100. Okay, so this is the door. Okay, so that's how you drag doors and windows to the second floor. Okay, remember you need to use column. Free molding only suitable for flooring or plain wall. Okay, and then if you can see this image here, okay, that's another ceiling on this side. Okay, this one you can use panel. You can either use frame modeling or panel. Okay, so for panel you can use any customized function. Okay, let's say I use system cabinet. You can drag out any flat panels. Usually I will go with component class. Okay, go to component class. Second button, you can go to plate type. Okay, you can use super panel, front riser, okay, any panel except for glass panel. Okay, do not use glass panel lah, use flat panel. This one. Then you can drag out. Okay, you can resize, say 3,000. Okay, here also 3,000. Example lah. Be 2,200. Alright. Then you can resize it. Okay, it's either you use this product placement. Okay, resize in here, or you can press B button. Press B. Select the panel. Okay, on top here you can go to extend. Okay, extend. Then you can select this arrow. Let's say I want to extend this side. So you select this arrow and you can put numbers in here. Let's say I extend 400. Sorry, 400. Then it will extend upward 400. Okay, to extend again, select the arrow and enter number inside this box. Alright, do the same thing to this side. Select the arrow, extend backward. This one maybe 1,004. Okay, another 100. Okay, something like this. Then you can press escape. Okay, select the panel. If you want to adjust the thickness, you can adjust the height. Okay, so this one I will adjust 300. Enter. Okay, then to move it up, remember you need to adjust the elevation because you cannot simply drag the panel up and down. Okay, adjust the elevation. This is the height from the floor. Okay, let's say I increase 3,008, so it will go up here. 3,008. Okay, 3,007. Okay, 3,007. And the panel will go up. Okay, then it's up to you. You want to extend all the way to the wall. Okay, remember you can extend using this sizing, or you can press B button, go to this extend. Okay, then just repeat the step. Maybe extend 2,000. Okay, something like this. Then to drill hole, if you can see in the image here, there's a round shape effect on the ceiling here. Okay, so this one you can use this function, open hole. Okay, open hole. So you can select this function, select the panel, open hole. You can drill circle shape. Okay, drill circle shape to the hole. Yeah. Okay, so the hole is at this corner. You can see the 70 mm here. Okay, this is actually the distance, okay, the position. In order to adjust the circle position, you can adjust this number. Let's say 700. So it will go forward. Okay, you can adjust this number lah. Let's say 7,000. So it will go to the corner. Go to the other corner here. Okay, and then to move it to the right, adjust the 70 mm from the left here. Let's say 700. Okay, then we go center. Okay, to adjust the size, you can adjust inside here lah. Adjust the size, let's say 1000. Okay, and then move it to the right, 900. 1100. Okay, something like this. Right? Once done, you can click escape. Okay, you can drill other shapes such as circular, okay, rectangle, triangle, and star shape. Okay, up to your own preference lah. Then you can press return. Okay, to have this lighting effect, you can just drag from library. Okay, you can go to decoration, lighting. Okay, you can go to fill light. We have round shape fill light. Okay, you can just drag to the area. Okay, but this one you need to rotate lah. Press X button to rotate. Okay, then press Z button to move. So you need to move manually. Okay, remember to hold control button to cancel the gravity, so you can move it freely. Okay, of course you need to adjust the sizing lah. Okay, you can press C button to rescale the model. Okay, press C button to rescale the model. Press Z to move it. Okay, you can also adjust inside here. Just the size inside here. Okay, something like this lah. Alright, then you can also adjust the color, temperature. Okay, color, temperature, and the brightness. Alright, in order to see the light effect, you need to render first lah. Then you can see the light effect. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial video. I hope you learned something. Okay, so for all the other decoration you see in this image, you can just drag from library. Okay, you can also drag color to the panel. You can just go to finishing. Okay, just simply drag color to the panel. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you can give us a like and subscribe to our channel. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.